Alrighty, so here is the main parts of the gear set laid out. So you've got, get some close-ups. First gear, it's Synchro. So needle bearing race, single piece needle bearing, single piece 39 tooth synchronizer, and single piece gear. Again, 39 teeth for the synchronizer on these. Okay, first, second hub slider. This is assembled with the springs and stuff at the moment. So, condition wise, if we get in, not too bad. A little bit of wear on there. Pretty good. Pretty happy with that. First gear. Focus. The dog teeth are still nice and sharp. The synchronizer, when placed on the gear, still has a nice gap between the gear and the synchro, and it still bites really well. So you could put this into service and it would work fine. Happy with that. Second gear. These are a double synchro, so 36 tooth double. Outer piece with grooves, middle piece, inner piece with grooves on the outside, no grooves on the inside. So these are a 39 tooth double. First gear can be modified to take this synchronizer. Basically you machine off this polished conical surface and drill 4 holes like second gear has, and then you can fit the synchronizer on. It's not quite that straightforward, there's a bit of measurement and things like that involved, but it can be done. Second also has its own needle bearing. Condition wise, pretty good. A little bit knocked off the tips of the dog teeth here, but not too shabby. Happy with that. So they go together nice and straightforward. Snap ring on here. Actually should have mentioned snap ring there as well. Bearing race. Third gear. So these are a double synchro with 36 teeth. So lay this out. 1, 2, 3. Gear. 2-piece needle bearing, the bearing race. So the synchro that came off this gear, pretty good condition wise. Teeth are still nice and sharp. The gear itself, nice and sharp. I think this gearbox is in pretty good nick. Back on there. Third, fourth hubs and sleeve. This is your Evo 2 and 3 only Rocking Horse Poo forged hub and slider part. So this is a bit that I'm quite interested in. Wear wise, I'd say that's probably still less than normal wear for a part this old. Looks to be pretty good. Fourth gear, double synchro, exactly the same as the one on third gear. So inner, middle, outer, single piece gear. It's got a sub gear on the back there which is held on by a bevel washer and a snap ring. I've just taken those off so I can get in there and clean it. So yeah, nice bit of kit. Oh, wear. Focus. Good enough. They're pretty good. There's a little bit of wear on the teeth, but they are still pretty sharp. The Synchros, I've noticed, they're all quite sharp. The teeth, the threads on the Synchro are all still razor sharp. Now I've got to focus. Check that out. Probably pretty close to new. So that's the box pretty much disassembled. I've got a couple of bearings left on the shafts. I'll probably have to ankle grind those off and fight with them, and then give them a bit of a clean up and start work. Cool. Thanks for watching.